Well, here we're looking at CSUN, and it's done really, really well. Very, very pleased with it. You could see the explosive move we saw off of this on this range. I really think this will continue to go a lot higher here, but we really need to think of an exit strategy on this initial move, and I think it makes sense to kind of exit into tomorrow's move. I do think we can get around the two, say 240. If we break the 2 range, that's going to be significant resistance on the day. I would be watching for that, and say the 195 level also on the for resistance. But it's done very, very nicely on this. It's up about 32%. I think it makes sense to kind of take our profits. What I think we could be seeing, though, is a bigger picture of this kind of starting. It's maybe, maybe a first wave back, but I do think major targets will be this 250 level. 2 also is going to be significant resistance, but also around this 275. So you see all of this stock right in here around the 3s. So that's a very realistic major resistance point. But this is a very, very nice surge in a short amount of time. But traders need to be mindful that you could see this extend a little further, but you could be starting to get at a point where you're better off to be exiting, looking for the pullback here, and then try to buy that pullback to see if it's got that strength to retest again to a higher target range. But I'm not going to second guess what we've been doing for a long time, and that has been working. Sometimes sometimes things continue to run and you miss it, but overall, when you're chopping away at profits, you can't go wrong there. And we've done very well with that regard. So I'm going to put in a sell for CSUN. I do think that it's going to be one that I'm going to re-enter. So however, if you want to have kind of a trailing stop, or you want to kind of use your ATR with that, that's fine too. I understand that. But this is one that I think could make another gasp higher here, or they just right at the 2, it starts to weaken up a little bit and pull back a little bit. But I want to try to make sure we lock in a little bit of the gain here. And if it starts to go through its little dip here, I do want to try to make another attempt on this. But had a very nice couple days. I want to make sure that if we have a third big move, we're out on this move. So I'll watch to see how the trading is, and obviously see if we can exit toward the close. But if it starts to look real weak, we'll just try to take it where it is. So watch real carefully on that.